So in this experiment we are reacting iron filings with copper sulfate, which start off as little grey chunks of iron and a nice clear blue solution of copper sulfate. And what's interesting about this reaction is it shows us that often there's not just one sign that a chemical reaction is happening, there's usually more than one. So maybe not just a gas giving off or just a colour change, but maybe a combination of different factors happening all at once. So if we leave this reaction vessel for long enough, what we should see is that there are two colour changes. The solution will change colour and the metal will change colour. And the test tube will also be hot, it will heat up, which suggests that heat energy is given out by the reaction. And that is another important sign of a chemical reaction, because energy changes are what we're all interested around in chemistry. So we will leave that to sit for a while and see if we can spot those changes. So now going back to our reaction vessel after some time has passed, we can see that the solution has changed colour from blue to clear, or colourless, which means that's a colour change and a sign of a chemical reaction. And if we look closely, we can see that the iron has changed to a nice bronzy brown colour, which is a second colour change. So that's another sign that a chemical reaction's happened. And if we were in the room and we could pass the test tube around, we would feel that the test tube heated up, and that shows us that heat energy was released, and that is our third and final sign of a chemical reaction taking place.